Hey, are you getting ready to sell your house? Have you considered your storage areas, maybe a room, a closet, and/or a building that you use to store items for various reasons? Let's talk about what you should do with these storage areas. I'm Susan Holland with the Firm Real Estate Agency in Ozark, Missouri. Stick around to the end for a free guide to help you prepare your house to sell. I want to share with you some ideas for preparing your house to show by cleaning up those storage areas. I know, overwhelming but necessary. Just think about what you want to see when you go to look at a new place to live. Okay, potential buyers come into your house. They explore every inch of your house. They open closet doors, cabinets, you name it, they open it. Then they open the closet door in your master bedroom. Will they be impressed with the space and imagine their clothes adorning the racks and the shelves? Will they see this or this? Okay, maybe those pictures are a little extreme, but maybe sort of. It likely depends on how you use and manage your storage space. I can sympathize with those of you who haven't done a thorough closet cleaning in a while. For more tips on downsizing, watch this video. Of course, the potential buyer's first reaction will be based on size. Short of doing a major renovation, there's not much you can do about that. However, there's plenty you can do about making space and making it look bright and roomy. Your first step is to remove as much clutter as possible. Selling your house is the perfect time to clean out clutter. Okay, if you're like me, maybe I should say to force you to clean out your clutter. It's times like this I wish I'd listened to my mother. I was the last of 8 children and we lived in a very crowded house, and she could perform magic when it came to small areas and storage space. She would tell us, go through your closets once a season and get rid of those things that you haven't used or thought about for about a year or more. Of course, sometimes I completely fall off that train of thought and think, I forgot about this, and it's just like new. I think I might keep this. No, don't go down that rabbit hole. No matter what your reason for moving is, whether it is to move to a bigger house, to downsize to a smaller place, maybe you're moving for your job, just whatever. You need to decide what you need and what you want to take with you, then give away the items that are still nice and usable, and trash the things that you wouldn't give away as a gift. If the closets double as storage with boxes and other items, then move those things elsewhere. Until your house sells, it might make sense for you to temporarily rent at a local self-storage. Remember, your objective is to sell your house, and buyers want to see clear, clean spaces. They want to be able to imagine their things in those spaces. Clutter really hurts their image of what it could be. Next, make sure the space isn't overfilled. You don't have to remove all of your clothes, but consider removing enough to fully accentuate the roominess of the space and make it look neat and organized. You could possibly shuffle some of your things around to other closets in the house, or buy storage bins with lids that can neatly stack in a storage area or building, or best yet, in a rental storage space. Finally, don't forget about lighting. It also plays a key role. A dimly lit closet or room will make the space look unappealing and smaller. Use a bulb with enough wattage to create a pleasant glow throughout the area. You might also consider painting it with a light neutral color. If your closet is already cluttered, you know how difficult it is to find anything in it, especially if the lighting is poor. Don't forget to clear out all your other storage spaces too. If you have a room or outbuilding that you have an overabundance of things stored, you need to weed through them and decide what you should keep and what you should give away or trash. In these larger areas, it would be better to see neatly stacked storage bins than it would be to see clutter. Remember, if you haven't seen it for a year or two, or have forgotten you even have it, chances are it is a good idea to get rid of it and clear up that space. For more selling and downsizing tips, check out these videos and check out the free guide linked below in the description that lists mistakes that sellers make. If you live in the Springfield, Ozark, Branson, Missouri areas, give me a shout. You can call or text me or send me an email and I will get back to you. I would love to help you prep your house to sell. Until next time, I am Susan Holland with the Firm Real Estate Agency in Ozark, Missouri, and I love living in the Ozarks.